Hi, it's Trey here at the Golden Gecko Garden Center with another 1-minute gardening tip. It's getting hot out here. Your plants are growing quickly, but you find yourself watering just seems like too frequently. And one of the best things you can do for your plants and for you is to put some sunblock on the ground. And when I say sunblock, I'm talking about mulch. Mulching your plants with 2 to 3 inches of organic matter can cut your watering way down, keeps the roots cool. It's better for the plants, better for you. I'm going to show you just how to do it. I got this big bale of EV Stone planting mix, and I just throw it around the base of the plants, in this case sunflowers. So it's about 2 inches thick. Try to keep it away from the plant itself, but go out as far as the outer canopy. And you've just now saved yourself a whole lot of time this summer watering. So mulch your plants. All your plants can benefit from mulch. This is Trey at the Golden Gecko Garden Center with another 1-minute gardening tip.